Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Well, everyone, checking in on the marijuana sector, and unfortunately, it just keeps getting worse. So again, the echoing sentiment of it can always go lower than you think. We can always see another leg down. Certainly something we have to continue to remind ourselves. And that's why stop losses are so essential, because otherwise we get in this cycle of it can't possibly go lower. And then it bounces a little bit and it goes lower and it can't possibly go lower. And next thing you know, you're stuck holding that big old bag. So stop losses is the lesson, as it has always been. Why are we dumping when the market bounced? Well, the market pulled back today, but over the past couple of days, the market has started to price in Biden over Bernie as the Democratic candidate. And we know this by looking at betting websites that are third party and just where people are putting their money. So if the ticket is Biden versus Trump, that is worst case scenario for the MJ sector over the next 4 years. Could there be some progress over the next 4 years with either of those candidates? Yes, it's possible, but it is just not ideal. It's just another blow to the sector. So today's Super Tuesday. I do expect to see a little bit of recovery if Bernie wins, but if Bernie wins, have to keep in mind the market has also been pricing in Biden as well, which Biden is bullish, Bernie is bearish for the market. So if Bernie were to win, the market is likely to respond a bit bearish to that, which could offset any sector-specific bullish reaction. Right now, the sector is losing interest, obviously, of traders. I am one of them. And one by one, we're seeing with the Chart Guys community, we got 1,000 members, and we're just seeing people that have been trading MJ for years and years and years, 2-3 years, stopping, at least for now, for reasons that I've given in recent videos. So we're in a scenario where as long as we are in daily downtrend, the bears have complete control. And as far as looking for bounces, there's better volatility elsewhere. You know, if I'm looking for a 5% bounce on CGC in a downtrend, I can look for a 5% bounce on bull miners while still being in an uptrend. So again, same echoing sentiment from yesterday's video. So on to the technical analysis. CGC daily bear flag confirmed. At this point, the only support that we're looking at is down at 1598, a gap fill at 1558, and then 1381. We have a new little resistance level at 1894, and we've closed weak. APHA, bear flag confirmed on the daily, dropped to a lower low. 3 psychological is the next support, and we're at the lowest prices of consolidation. New short-term resistance is 372. ACB didn't drop to a lower low yet, but on the verge of it after 131. There is no short-term support. Pretty much the last 3 trading days are all the same. Cron hit hard due to the delays of their financials. So Cron with a huge dump. Bear flag confirmed. Couple days it stood out as a bit stronger, but that certainly didn't help today. Lowest price of consolidation, 514, 5 psychological. And again, you look at this monthly time frame. Monthly bear flag has confirmed. Could CGC confirm its monthly bear flag? Absolutely, it's a possibility. So now we're looking down at, after 5 psychological, let's see, we got 512 as a level, 5, and then 475. And if 475 breaks, we're then back to 2017 prices. TLRY, earnings reaction. That's another reason the sector was a bit bearish. TLRY hit all-time lows on a bearish earnings reaction. After 13, there's no support. Hexo held up better than others, got some bounce follow through, and even then, it's still a potential daily bear flag. The only good sign is we're above 105 support and not dropping to lower lows like its sector peers. OGI, looks like our daily lower high is set at 232, and we're heading back down to $2 psychological support. VFF, daily bounce trying to follow through a bit, although it looks like I'm not updated. So that's why it's trying to hold up. So VFF, gap up, all profit taking. We did have some news on VFF this morning, and we're right back down to 385 as the only short-term support. New resistance, 450. Labs, potential daily bear flag. Support is 219. Bulls must hold that level. VLNS, still a very weak bounce, but stronger than peers. Any name that dropped to a lower low, obviously weaker than names that are still trying to continue this weak bounce. So that's where we stand on Canadian MJ. Yes, it's bleak. No, the sector's not disappearing, but we may be in for a long wait, depending on how this election goes as far as the U.S. is concerned. IIPR, so watching for a daily lower high to be set. We had resistance at 101.35. We topped out at 101. Most important support is 86.50, the low of the pullback. Curaleaf, daily top is set, so lower high of 724. Bulls have to hold 580 and break 724 to change the daily trend. C-Web giving it all back, looking at the all-time low of 625 as the only support. TRUL, daily lower high is set at 1296, and we're looking back at 1123 as our support. Curaleaf and TRUL do have some space to form that daily high or low. IAN, daily bear flag still in play. 98 cents is the only support. CL, bear flag confirmed, dropping to lower lows. President left the company. No sign of bulls anywhere. Lowest price of consolidation. GTII continues to drop. 8 psychological is the next level. Daily chart in a bit of free fall. We've dropped 35% in the last 2 weeks. And Harv, daily bear flag confirmed as well. No support. So it's still bleak. If SPY drops to a lower low, I'm anticipating, as I talked about in the market video, a daily equilibrium in SPY. If we drop to a lower low, it can get worse in this sector. Daily downtrends are our guide. No interest in catching falling knives while in daily downtrends at this point. We'll see what Super Tuesday results give us. Have a good rest of your day. Don't want to come off as a peeping Tom pervert, but I did see some ducks doing it today. Baby ducks are on the way.